Jury selection continuing today in the Ed Burke trial. The once powerful alderman is facing charges he abused his public office to enrich himself.
WGN's Mike Lowe reports now from the Dirksen Federal Building.
Jury selection is the crucial first step in any criminal trial, and both the defense attorneys and the prosecutors are trying to seat a group that might be more favorable to their arguments, though the judge in this case says she has one goal, and that is finding a group of 12 people who can be fair to everyone. Alderman Ed Burke walked alone into the Dirksen Federal Building this morning. His wife joined him later in the courtroom. 5 years after he was indicted, it's finally Burke's day in court, but the jury selection process is moving slow, so opening arguments may not take place until later in the week. This trial is viewed as the most significant Chicago public corruption trial in a generation. Outside of the courtroom, a display highlighting the history of public corruption trials was concealed so as not to influence the jury. Judge Virginia Kendall's 25th floor courtroom is also home to 2 comfort dogs. The dogs and the judge's friendly demeanor have helped ease the tension of this high-profile case. Burke sat at the courtroom's center table in a dark suit and watched quietly as a parade of potential jurors answered questions from the judge and from lawyers. They asked, "What is your highest level of education? Have you ever been involved in a civil matter or a criminal case? Do you have any family in law enforcement? Have you had any interactions with your alderman's office? And where do you get your news?" Most of the jury pool said they didn't watch or read local news, which made this exchange notable. The judge asked one potential juror, "Where do you get your news?" The potential juror said, "I watch WGN pretty much on a daily basis." "So you've definitely seen, read, or heard about this case?" "Yes, I'm aware of this case." The pool of more than 50 potential jurors will be whittled down to a jury of 12 and 4 alternates. They will decide the fate of the once powerful City Council finance chairman. He's now facing 14 counts of racketeering, bribery, and extortion. Prosecutors alleged that he used his power and influence to twist the arms of business owners, individuals, and institutions into giving business to his private law firm, allegedly enriching himself by exploiting his public position. Burke and his 2 co-defendants, longtime aldermanic aide Peter Andrews and real estate developer Charles Quay, have all pleaded not guilty. And jury selection looks like it will stretch into tomorrow, meaning opening arguments likely won't begin until Thursday at the earliest. Reporting at the Dirksen Federal Building, Mike Lowe, WGN News.